Hey guys, welcome back to the Robot Gamer. Today I'm going to show you how to record video for free. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. But that out of the way, let's get started. First, you want to search up Obs Studio. Click on Open Broadcast Software, OBS Studio. And then choose the operating system you have and download it. Okay. But since I already have it, I'm just going to open it. Okay. When it is done downloading, open OBS. When you open it, it might not look like mine. Okay. Now click on settings. If mine wants to load. Click on settings and go to output. And then recording. Type, don't worry about type. Recording path, put it on the file you want it to go in. I'm just using my video file. For your recording format, choose MP4 since that's the one that YouTube likes. Encoder, I'm using my QuickSync, but if you don't have that, you could either use NVIDIA or X264. Don't worry about any of this stuff except for bitrate. Bitrate depends on your internet speed, so I would recommend you going to speedtest.net and then looking up your internet speed on that website and just go from there. I use 5000 bitrate because I have fairly good internet. Right. Next, you want to move on to audio. Well, audio, keep your desktop audio at default and use whatever mic you have. I have a USB PNP audio device, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay. Now, next is video. For video, I recommend 1080p, which is 1920 x 1080p. Or just 1080. But if your computer lags, you could always just choose 720p, which is the one right below this one. For FPS, common FPS values, I recommend 60. Right, now that you're done with that, click apply and then OK. Okay, now you're gonna go over to sources, click the plus icon and choose whatever thing you're going to capture. Since I'm using display capture, I would click on display capture, but I already have it ready. Okay, now you're ready to start recording. So just go over here and press start recording. But since I'm recording right now, I'm using it, so it would stop the recording. Well, anyway, that was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And goodbye.